Hi guys, Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese souffle. Very simple. All you need is butter, flour, cheese, eggs and milk. Alright, so before we start we need to preheat our oven to 220 degrees and then prepare our souffle dish. So a bit of melted butter and breadcrumbs. This is just so you can get your souffle out after it's cooked. And obviously your mixer is going to go in there. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so step one, get your butter. Put that in your saucepan on low heat. And then just stir that till it's melted. Okay, so step two, get your flour. And then slowly pour that in whilst mixing each time. Right, so step three, get your milk. Take the pan off heat. Then slowly pour your milk in. Just pour in, stir it in, pour and stir, pour and stir. Right, so step four, you get your cheese. And chuck that in, and stir that in until all that melts. Then you get a bit of mustard, just a tiny little teaspoon. And that will help bring out the flavour of your cheese sauce. So step five, we've separated our eggs into yolks and whites and we've whisked up our whites. First you want your egg yolk. You want to put that into the mixture. Like so. Now just stir that in. Okay, and step six, you get your egg whites. These you want to fold them in, not stir. So you want to get your spoon around and over. Around and over. And step seven, pour your mixture into your souffle dish. And step 8, put in the oven and need to cook for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Okay, so we're all done, so let's get it out. Here we go. And there you go. Alright, thanks for joining us. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and if you're feeling generous you can hit that subscribe button. Shout outs to my main man cameraman Jam, who helped out a lot with this episode. If you're in the mood for some more you can check out my playthrough of Hellblade Senua's Sacrifice here up on the left, or my Dark Souls 3 playthrough on the right. Thanks again guys, bye!